thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lee County, eastern Fayette County, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Giddings, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Giddings, LaGrange, Fayetteville, Dimebox, Round Top, Carmine, Swiss Alp, Northup, Rudisville, Warrenton, Ledbetter, Waldeck, Lobau, Plum, Emmonsville, Mullins Prairie, Mechanics, Manheim, Serban, and Freiburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with this storm will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet, or basement. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flood.
Why is it doing that? 2-minute time limit. I don't like that.
Storm watch number 224 remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time Friday.